Hi there, struggling with invisible Wi-Fi on your Windows 10 laptop? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll tackle 5 ways to fix Wi-Fi issues when networks just won't show up. Follow along for step-by-step solutions. Method 1. Enable the hidden Wi-Fi service. Sometimes a hidden service is the culprit. Let's enable the WLAN auto-config service to bring your Wi-Fi options back to light. First, click on the Start menu and type Services. Now, open up the Services app. Next, find WLAN Auto-Config service in the list. Right-click on it and select Properties. Under Startup Type, make sure to choose Automatic. Don't forget to click Apply and OK to save the changes. Then, click on Start to run the service. Now, go ahead and check if your Wi-Fi icon has appeared. Method 2. Update those Wi-Fi drivers. Outdated drivers can cause problems. Let's update them automatically to see if that fixes the issue. Start by right-clicking on the Start menu and selecting Device Manager. Now, expand the Network Adapters section. Next, find your wireless network adapter. It might have Wi-Fi in the name. Right-click on the adapter and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your device driver and hit Next. And wait for it to complete. Now check if that gets your Wi-Fi working again. Method 3. Reinstall corrupted drivers. First, head back to Device Manager using the steps we covered in Method 2. Once you're in Device Manager, find your wireless network adapter. Now, right-click on the adapter and select Uninstall Device. Click Uninstall to remove the driver. Now click here to reinstall it. Method 4. Power up your Wi-Fi. First, head back to Device Manager using the steps we covered in Method 2. Once you're in Device Manager, find Network Adapters and expand it. Now double-click on your wireless network adapter. In the Properties window, click on the Power Management tab. Make sure the box that says Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power is unchecked. Click OK to save the changes and you're all set. Method 5. System Configuration. If all else fails, we'll try a system configuration reset to see if it resolves the issue. But be aware, this might reset other settings on your computer, so proceed with caution. To begin, in the search bar, type System Configuration and click the app. Next, click the Services tab. Enable all and click on Apply and OK. And select Restart. So this is how to fix Wi-Fi icon not showing up on Windows. And remember, try these methods one by one and see if the Wi-Fi issue resolves after each step. We hope this helps you get your Wi-Fi working again. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.